Flash messages are individualized bulk email to parents and students. You can track the reasons for the contact to balance bad news with good news. Check the reasons for contact that apply. Schedule a follow-up date if needed. Put student first name and student last name in square brackets in the subject and body to personalize each message. Before sending to everyone, send yourself a test message. Create letter templates for easy reuse. Templates and recipients. The letter templates that you've saved in the past are ready for reuse. Just select one from the list. If your class rosters are loaded into the system, select the teacher's name then the class section to get a list of students and their parents. You can also create your own class rosters by clicking Edit Student Lists. In addition to class rosters, you can choose students by grade, house or initial of last name. Choose whether you are sending to parents, to students or to both. Once you have selected the recipient list, you can send to all or check specific recipients. Choosing recipients. Mary Army has selected her Biology Period 2 class. She will send to both students and parents. The Biology Period 2 class is shown. The icons with the blue border indicates the student's email. The parents have a red border. The ampersand indicates that an email address is present. If there is no email, a letter icon indicates a mailing address and a phone icon indicates a phone number. Collect email addresses from parents for easy communication. Check all or just the ones you want to send. Creating portal passwords. You can use Flash messages to allow people to create their passwords for the student portal or parent portal. Include portal link in square brackets in your message and a link will be inserted that is encoded for that student or parent. When they click the link, they can create their own password. We can also create passwords for everyone automatically. Response links. You can also show buttons in the message and collect answers from your recipients. These are called response links. In this example, the teacher is asking for students to choose a way to celebrate their good behavior. The buttons will be, a pizza party, have class outdoors with games and competitions, and watch a movie. When the recipient clicks on one of the response links, an email is sent back with the choice,